Hi guys, when it comes to LinkedIn marketing, there are three aspects which you should consider. One is your profile. Build very strong profile. Second, audit your network. Add and remove people from your network and make it relevant. And third is communication. What is your communication strategy? These three aspects are really important. I'm going to show it with this screen recording video. Check it out. Hi guys, so in this session I'm going to show you three important aspects of LinkedIn marketing which you should first fix or focus on when you are doing LinkedIn marketing. So as I mentioned earlier, opening LinkedIn account, adding more people in your network on LinkedIn and posting the spammy advertising content or sending messages to your connections is not LinkedIn marketing. I'm starting with these three important aspects of LinkedIn marketing. First is your profile. Now your profile should be aligned with your goal. What do you want? So I provide digital marketing profit solutions, consulting solutions to enterprise level companies. So for that I built my profile. So I've clearly mentioned who I am and what I can do, what I'm doing right now, which kind of services I am providing. Then I have added some videos which will mention more about my skills and what can I do. Then about section is very critical. You have to be very specific about it. Don't write essay over here. Write very important aspect of your profile over here. Respect time of people. Then I will have recommendations, I will keep posting the content, I will display what was my professional background, everything is mentioned over here. So make sure that you have received relevant recommendations also. Everything should be relevant in your profile. So that is the first aspect. Make relevant profile as per your sales goal, business goal. Second most important aspect is your network. So if you click on my network, you'll find that this much connections I have, this much contacts I have, the people I am following, groups, events, pages, hashtags. Always check that will your connection help you to achieve your goals. And always add, edit, remove your connections. So if there are irrelevant people in your network, remove them on weekly basis or monthly basis. Because it is not about the number of connection, it is about how relevant your network is. So always watch on network. Many times people build the network but they build irrelevant network and they keep posting the content on LinkedIn and they say I don't get response out of it. The reason is your network is irrelevant. It is not about what you're posting. Why you're not getting response? One of the reason is your network is weak. So start adding, editing your network on regular basis if you want really good benefits from LinkedIn marketing. Then other aspect of LinkedIn is your communication strategy. So where you are communicating. So you have to identify the hashtags. So which hashtags you are going to communicate. So if I click on Mumbai, I will find various different posts coming from people from Mumbai. And then I am going to choose where I am going to comment, because LinkedIn communication is about about commenting, not about posting. So start commenting on people's posts first. If you want response, start giving response. I'm not saying you should comment on every post, but you should post on a comment which is relevant to your domain or that particular person is in your network. First of all, start communicating with right people. That means start responding to people and don't add general comments like wow or it's amazing. Be specific in your thought if you want to build really good relationship on LinkedIn. Now next part is your postings. What you're posting on LinkedIn. So it's not only about information, it's not only about your advertising graphics or videos. It is also about asking right questions, because LinkedIn has given different options to us. Celebrate an occasion, share that you are hiring. If you are hiring, share that. Find an expert if you want someone. Create poll. Asking questions is critical. Creating polls is critical. Offer help. That is the best tool on LinkedIn. If you can offer any free help to anyone, just announce it first, so that right people will come to you. So if you are a graphics designer, if you want to offer like 3 free graphics to startup business owners, offer that, announce that. The right people will come to you, they will see your work and they will hire you. There are many ways with which you can make your LinkedIn marketing productive. So first thing I want to tell you here is, stop posting your advertising messages, start asking questions, start offering help. That is critical on LinkedIn. So these are 3 critical aspects of LinkedIn marketing. First, your profile. Second, your network. And third, your posting, quality of posting. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any queries, ping me on WhatsApp. Thank you.